This is probably the most misleading advert that I've ever seen. They claim that it cools rooms up to 1,300 square foot in minutes. And they claim it only uses 45 watts and it doesn't need a vent hose. So I bought one. A few weeks ago, I was in France during a heat wave. It got to 41 degrees, which got me thinking about putting air conditioning in the lodge. And then I started noticing adverts like this popping up all over the place. And the more I looked at it, the more it sounded too good to be true. Now, at the time, on that website, one of them units was 180 quid. So that's like almost $250. I can see it's come down in price now. Absolute bargain of 139 quid. Instead of spending £180, I'd done a reverse image search and within a couple of minutes I found one for £37 on AliExpress. It's near identical. Now, I don't really have a problem with drop shipping, but the problem comes when you take a generic product, add a fictional backstory, make extraordinary claims, and then try and sell it for 5, 10, 15, 20 times the price that you bought it for. I mean, look, you can get these on Alibaba for $7 if you buy in bulk. $7 versus almost $250. Oh, that's a kick in the bollocks. Even at the price I paid for this, I still feel ripped off. Now, obviously it's taken a couple of weeks to get here. We're going to take a look exactly what it is. I have not even opened the box yet. Now, the information on the box isn't half as bad as the advert itself, which I'll show you in more detail later. It says it's wall-mounted mobile air conditioning. Warm and accompanying like the warm winter sun. So I wonder whether they swap the advert round in the winter and make out as if this is some kind of fantastic heater. Just here, it does say summer cool breeze, cool and comfortable, feel the cool natural wind. So it does appear just like a normal air conditioning unit, it can do heating and cooling. It's got a remote control. Jesus. I just like, obviously the box came that small. I just can't get over how small this is in comparison to what they're trying to sell. I mean, to be fair to them, it does look like the air conditioning unit or the indoor unit of, say, a mini split system, and it does hang on the wall. It's just, it's not gonna do the same thing, is it? It weighs nothing, it's cheap, it's plasticky, and I'll be honest with you, this panel is slightly different to the one in the original advert. The original advert, like, it had a volume button there. I assume that's the strength of what I think is just going to literally be a fan. If you could guess at what's inside here, what would you say? I pretty much know what it's going to be. No matter what model you get of this, or variant, how much you pay, they're all going to be the same. Oh dear. Okay, what we got? We got 2 circuit boards. We have a small fan that you get in a PC, and this front bit here is just a heating element. What is this called? I'll give you a clue. It's not an air conditioner. I'll pop this back together. We'll try it out, but I'm not seeing any sign of the technology that they say is in the advert. Now, when they try and sell you this, or rather scam you, you don't know what's going to turn up. Like, you don't know that you're going to pay all that money and only this is going to turn up. But the reason why I was skeptical in the first place, even though it sounded good, it was just one internal unit. But the whole reason why air conditioning works is an energy exchange. Heat is energy. It takes it from one place and it puts it somewhere else. Air conditioning doesn't produce cold. Cold doesn't come from anywhere. You just take heat away, in which case it leaves it colder. A split system throws heat outside using an external condenser. A portable air conditioner throws it outside through an exhaust hose. And this has neither, so there's nowhere for that heat to go. Now, if we compare that actual unit to this advert, and there'll be many, many others like this advert, Say goodbye to unaffordable air conditioning and expensive contractors. This new cooling device requires zero installation, turns any room ice cold in minutes. It's just unbelievable, the kind of stuff that they say. Apparently this is the engineer man, which is clearly AI. Look how massive that is. His name's Luke Wallace. He's British. And look, his goal to create an affordable solution for everyone, a device that delivers Arctic conditions but requires absolutely no installation and sips electricity. I mean, it looks good. Like even this, it looks like an indoor system of an actual mini split because you can see the pipes in it. But it hasn't got any of that inside it. It's just a load of rubbish. Testimonials, everything, money back guarantee. Just imagine spending that amount of money on a load of, on a fan heater. We haven't even tried it out yet. Let's see if it even turns on. Now, I can understand it is tempting. It's definitely tempting. It's record heat waves in the UK at the moment. Is this going to turn on? It doesn't turn on. If you are slightly gullible, buy stuff on a credit card. At least that way you can get your money back. I hadn't plugged in the extension. It does work. I might just keep it for the workshop or something. Cool winds. They're still bloody hot. Give it 2 minutes, it'll cool this whole room. Promise.